Hey, hi everyone. What are you seeing in the screen? It is true that we can also get idea or we can overcome the problem through health through Vaastu perspective. I mean, specifically, we can also overcome or tackle the problem three layer, which every single person is facing. Majority of people would facing either mental health problem, either emotional health problem, or physical health problem. So with this topic, with this video, I'll try to help you and I'll try to give you clarity about how you can make yourself overcome this problem. And if you're already having this mental health, emotional health, or physical health, so straightly come to that particular direction and treat that direction, and you get idea. Because we are talking about the Vastu is more of the direction basis. So I would suggest people do watch the video till end. You get idea that how you can reach to the point of direction if you doesn't know where the north, west, east lies in your home. So in this video, I'll just give you an idea how you can take over any problem, whether you have the problem or whether anyone having the problem. So we have to find out the concerned direction that help us to know which layer we are already have disturbed and how to go in that particular direction so that we can overcome the problem. So when it comes to mental health, we need to find the north or east our house. And from the north part, it falls in north or east. In the coming slide, I'm going to tell you that where how to calculate your north or east, but to find out the health issues. If you're already facing the anxiety, depression, phobia, anything, so tackle that, treating that particular direction, you will definitely encounter definitely overcome these challenges, which is telling the health issues. Sorry, all health condition from mental health to head on jaw. But when it comes to emotional part, suppose you're already facing the dejection, disappointment, heartbroken, or lost someone. So if you're treating that particular direction, east, southeast, which is come east from southeast, which is come west from northwest, west southwest. Why? Because from east southeast we can figure out the nervous system from head to toe. Whatever the nervous system we have in the body, once you treat that part, you get ease in the nervous system. And the west northwest is more of a detoxification of the body. Sometimes we hurt by some other people words, which we take it very personally. So when we treating that particular area, we able to release this negativity from within us. So when it comes to physical health, if somebody is facing any kind of health issues, just like I told you, physical health means at any part of the body, mental, jaw joints, eyesight, anything which is on the physical layer. So treating this two-part area, just like when it comes to southeast, which is telling the body entrance, I mean, we can able to digest the strength, digest the impact if we encounter health challenges. So this is the concerned houses, a concerned direction, sorry, which you need to figure out. If you for already having a mental health for already going through the mental health issue, only treating that particular direction, I tell you, you will get overcome the problem or have the ease in the mind. So this is the concern part. Now the big question is how to get to the point of the reach to the north or east at a house. So you definitely has the house layout. So take out the house layout, and I'm going to tell you how you can reach to the conclusion of these concern zones. Since I've done already this house Vastu, so I have the idea that how the problem can overcome. But since we are here to knowing the health challenges from three layer, so any part of the layer you are facing, we have to only consider that particular zone. So if you have a compass, it's good. If not, then download the app, any app. It's not necessary you have to particular app to download any app which is telling the compass. So what you need to do, you have to see these pointers, the arrow and the north. These two come in the same direction. It's in the same point, sorry, 0 degree. So if you find this pattern, then you get idea of the north, where's the north fall. Suppose you doesn't know anything and even you don't have a mark in a layout of a north. So what easiest way you can find out? You definitely seen, I mean, you have to find out first that which side of the house you seen the sun ray in early between 5 to 6 in the morning. So there you get idea, east part, because it's a universal fact that sun is rising from the east, and we know the east opposite of is west. Likewise, east is front of north. I mean, north is coming from front is east. So in this way, in manually basis, it's very easy to conclude that in a from brief manner or in a basic clarity, which north, which east on a rough basis. Once you get idea where the east and the northwest, further you also can calculate northwest coming between the west and northwest. So in this, just manually done on a rough basis. No, you don't need to do any kind of compass and anything. Just this way, you just mark it. And suppose you find a north, for a hypothetical case, suppose you find a north in any part of it, just mark. What you do? So these are the solution on these three layers. So if anyone finding the health is mental health, so we need to find a north or east. If we have a kitchen in that particular area, if we have toilet in particular area, even cleaning that particular area, you will definitely ease at least for 60 to 80%. So now to find out how. So I just already did it. North east coming between from north to northeast, west northwest coming from west to northwest. In this way, just manually done. And what you do next is to just mark the specific areas. Like here I'm already marked for mental health, for emotional health, for physical health. So what you do, you have to figure out what is it comes in between these parts. Just like if I want to understand the health, physical health, so we need to check south southeast, south southwest. If you find a kitchen in the south southwest, if you find a bedroom in the south southwest, change the room. Just like the guy having a south southwest in the bedroom, this is where he find the health issues. Health issues could be anything, mental, physical, the body ache. It's very become common. So just you can pause this video and just write it on the in sequence. If you find any of these pattern in your in a house, free that area, and I'll tell you, you will overcome any three layer. So hope this way you can get to the point and overcome the problem to some extent. Although you not become a doctor, but yes, at instant basis you get relief. But if you have any kind of three-layer problem, do consider doctors to overcome the 100% problem. Hope you like this video, and I would suggest people do check out this channel called Being Sensible for English version from this the concept. If you understand this concept in Hindi, check out Being Sensible. And if people are more interested, if you are more interested in astrology, numerology, Vaastu, career counseling, any of these platform, so do check out keep checking this channel to get updated and get knowledge. Thanks for watching the video.